In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign forms in Jotform. Assigning a form lets you share it directly with the right people and control what they can do with it, all from inside the form builder on the web. Start by logging into your Jotform account in a web browser. From your dashboard, open the form you want to share so it loads in the form builder. At the top, click the Publish tab. This is the hub for getting your form to others. In the menu on the left, choose Assign Form. You'll see options to invite people by email, share a direct link, or assign in bulk. If you're inviting a few people, click into the recipient field and type their email addresses. You can add a short message to explain what the form is for and any deadline or context they should know. When you're ready, click Send Invitation. Jotform will email each person an invitation to access the form, and they can open it on desktop or mobile. If you prefer to share the form through another platform, use the Copy Link button. This copies your assignment link to your clipboard so you can paste it into a chat, a team channel, or an internal portal. It's a quick way to reach people without managing email invitations one by one. When you need to assign the form to many people at once, use the CSV upload option. Prepare a simple CSV file that contains the list of recipients' email addresses, then upload it here to send invitations in bulk. This saves time and helps avoid typos when you're working with a large group. Before you send anything, set the right permissions for your assignees. Choose Submit only if you want them to fill out the form and not return to their submission afterward. Pick Submit and View Later if they need to look back at what they sent, and use Submit and Edit Later if they should be able to reopen and update their responses. Select the level that matches your workflow and the sensitivity of the information you're collecting. That's it. Log in, open your form, go to Publish, select Assign Form, invite by email, share the link, or upload a CSV, and then set the permissions that fit your needs. With these steps, you'll share forms confidently and keep control over how submissions are handled.